And I'm telling you, you can literally achieve this face in 5 minutes. It's so beginner friendly, except moisturize my lips and give it that juice. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, kaylaharnae. Hey, hi. There. Okay, so really quickly, I just want to say hi. I freaking love you, and you clicked on this video because you're meant to be here, because we're meant to be friends, because you know, just subscribe. But yeah, you can subscribe, red button, you know how to do that. But yes, I just want to quickly say today's video is a quick makeup, no makeup. Okay, so today's video, we're gonna keep it simple, we're gonna keep it basic, we're gonna keep it makeup 101, beginner friendly, perfect for my working girls, perfect for my non-working girls, perfect for the people who are like, they want to get into makeup but they haven't, like, you know what I'm saying, and perfect for people who just get up early having to go to school. Just, this is perfect for everyone. Today we're going to be doing our quick makeup routine using no foundation, no concealer, just very simple, very quick. You can wear it to the gym. I know they say like don't wear makeup to the gym, but like you do what the heck you want to do, okay? Go in with the full face if you want to. But I still think about it all the time. First, I want to start off by saying thank you to Merit Beauty for working with me on today's video. We are going to be doing our makeup, like I said, very quick, very simple, very easy, using natural, cruelty-free, vegan makeup products. So excited. So first, I want to say Merit Beauty was founded by Catherine Powers. First off, let's just like recognize the fact that she's a woman. Her last name is Powers, for one. She started developing Merit about 3 years ago while she was pregnant with her son. She mentioned how like while she was pregnant, she started to become sick while using her normal makeup products that she was using. And so after like research and all of that stuff, she decided to switch up things, okay? Merit is all about taking the holistic approach to clean, so they're making products that are safe for the skin, body, and planet, which is funny regarding holistic because recently I got, this has nothing to do with anything, but I got this book, Medical Medium Cleanse to Heal. So basically, it's healing plans for sufferers of like anxiety, depression, acne, eczema, Lyme, gut problems, brain fog, weight issues, migraines, bloating, vertigo, psoriasis. The list goes on. There's literally a list of things on the back that people have like health problems with, and long story short, the author, Anthony William, he's all about, like you see the watermelon, he's all about like natural things and like natural foods that can combat these health issues that doctors say that there's no cure about. He's all about the holistic approach. But yeah, I just wanted to say that. Merit's body products are all paraben free, sulfate free. Their skincare products are sensitive skin safe and anti-fragrance free, which is, I can't stand, I don't like fragrance in my products. And then as far as their makeup is safe for the planet, it's cruelty free, it's vegan. They have reusable makeup bags. How freaking cute. How cute. This is a makeup bag. Like I literally have my makeup in it. You can literally throw it in the wash and machine wash it using cold water. Like this, and it's corduroy. I love corduroy. And all of their products are recyclable packaging. So once you're done with it, you can literally throw it in the recycle bin. Okay, so as we do our makeup, today's focus is going to be all about their shaded lip tint oil, which if you watched my most recent video, or no, my video when I did my makeup like Ariana Grande, I used these. But this is their tinted lip oils. They're called their Shade Stick Tinted Lip Oils. So freaking cute, and these are the focus for today. They recently launched last month in August, and I was so excited to get these because I've been wanting like a nice juicy lip oil. And the fact that it's like safe and like natural, I mean, like, come on. But we're gonna get into that more later into the video. Let's just get into the video and let's do our makeup in a short amount of time. First, I want to start off with the volumizing pomade in the shade Black Brown. I love to get black brown when doing my makeup. So it's like a little brow pomade, and I already did my brows. So when I do my brows, okay, so I don't have thick fluffy brows like you may have. My eyebrows are like sparse. However, I'm in the process of thickening them up with this. I got you, but just know I have this new like little serum. It's by Dime Beauty, but I've been using that to thick up my brows. It's actually a lash boosting serum, but I just want to flick this on there on my brow. If you already have nice full brows, like This will be perfect for you. Actually, I have tried using this without lining my brows, but my eyebrows aren't even like shaped right now, so it's hard for me to just throw this on and like move out, like going about my day. But if you have nice thick full brows and you just want to like add a little bit more oomph to it, you can just add this and it'll automatically do that for you. I love that. And they're nice and full and thick, and I know you guys know like thick brows are like in right now, but like they're like really in right now. Okay, so I'm trying to hurry up before Quan gets back because we love a quiet home, you know, to film. Oh, okay. Sneezies. I always moisturize my face before doing my makeup, and so I'm going in with the Tula Skincare Protect and Glow. I'm almost out of this. I'm just using it up. I want to try something different for the fall time, but I'm just using this until I find something new to use as far as the SPF. But if you don't moisturize your face, I know like I know some people like, I'll do their makeup and I'm like, did you already moisturize your face? And they're like, no. Okay, well, you gotta start. Like some people can just like throw water on their face like in the morning and like go about the day. If I do that, it's, honey, it's gonna be tight and dry if I do that. Now that we moisturized our face, we're gonna go in with the Merit Perfecting Complexion Stick. This is in the shade Amber. It's a little darker than my skin, but it'll do. Like, she's fine. So cute. First off, let's look at the packaging. Like how sleek and chic and cute. By the way, Merit is sold in Sephora and Credo Beauty, but yeah, they're sold in Sephora, which I think is so cool. We're gonna just get our little locks out our face. And I also have their #1, that's what it's called, their #1 blending brush, which I love this. I used it before. It's so soft. It's just, I love it. Now, I'm not going in with the Beauty Blender or anything. I'm gonna go in with my One and Done Setting Spray by PYT Beauty. And I'm just going to spray my brush. And before, you know, anyway, now I'm gonna go in with the complexion stick. And I'm just gonna like, put this all over, focusing it on the places I want to get some light coverage. It's not foundation or concealer, but it acts as like a replacement for both of those things. It just kind of like, think of like a tinted moisturizer, but like in a solid stick form. But okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my brush and just blend this all out, just buffing it in. And I love the way this blends. It literally looks like your skin, but better. You can see how I said it's a little darker, but why not go for a little tan, you know? And I'd rather my makeup be a little bit too dark than too light. And just imagine like you waking up early in the morning and like doing this. This will literally take no time. Okay, can you see that? I have like some like freckles like around my nose. Like it didn't cover up everything. It just kind of like woke me up a little bit, you know? I'm gonna put a little bit more like right here. I have a little hyperpigmentation around my eyes. And I'm not trying to like cover anything. I'm more so just, you know, making it look a little bit more even, my skin. This is perfect for like job interviews. Like look at that, it literally already makes a difference. And I don't look like I have on like makeup. Love it. So you can stop there if you want to, but I'm not. This is literally like your perfect ideal like 5-minute makeup. So next I'm going in with this chic color. It's like a cream blush. It's in the shade Raspberry Beret. I'm just gonna take this and put it on my ring finger. It's so creamy, so creamy. And just smile. And like just put that on the apples of my cheeks. Like look at that. Do you see the difference? It just makes you look, I love blush. If you are not new, by the way, if you are new, you should just subscribe. And I know, because YouTube tells me, I have a lot of you who aren't even subscribed, but you still come back to watch my video. So you should subscribe. Like you're here for a reason. Like let's just join the party. But yes, look at that. Wow, she already looks like awake. And I love the blush. You don't have to, but I love putting blush on my nose. It just makes you look like, you know, I don't know, but I'm into this, honey. I'm into this. I'm into it. Next we have the Merit Highlighting Balm, which is a cream highlighter. It's in the shade Kava. I'm just gonna like put this on the high points. It's not really like, it literally, I love this stuff so much because when I put it on there, it doesn't look like highlight. It just gives you, like, it looks like highlight in the sense of like you can see that glow, but it's so freaking natural. There's like no harsh shimmers or anything. It just lightens up and like gives me some extra dimension. I could literally just go all out with this. It's not shimmering whatsoever. It just gives you that like glow from within. If there's anything you get from this aside from like the lip oil that I can't wait to show you, like I'm literally about to show you, it's so good. That highlighting balm, no makeup with that, it just automatically gives you like some dew and like look at that. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Like, I love this. I will wear this makeup like every day. Seriously, I will wear this makeup like every day. Now for my eyes, I'm not putting on any eyeshadow, but when I do my makeup, I do like the same thing. But I'm just gonna take a brush that already has like some brown shadow on there and just like stick that in the crease just to give it a little dimension. Just, you know, you see the difference? Like, can you see the difference? It literally makes a difference. But literally, this is all I'm doing. I didn't put no extra shadow on this. If you're not like me and you've washed your brushes recently, then just go in with like any brown or like bronzer and just like put that in the crease of your eye just to like wake you up or just add some definition to your face. And then we're actually almost done. I'm gonna go in with some mascara. This is the Swipe Right 12-Hour Mascara by PUAT Beauty. Like, look at that. You see the difference? And I don't even need to like set my face or anything. You can if you get like oily. I don't get oily, so like I'm fine. Like, I don't mind like not setting my face. And plus, I love this like dewy look. I literally don't even look like I have makeup on. I just look awake, you know? So the star of today's show, which I'm really excited about, are the Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oils. They came out with 4 new shades for the fall, which are Bel Air, which is like a warm cream shade. There's Taupe, which I have Taupe, which is a neutral tan. I'll be using that one today. And then they have Cara Cara, which is a soft red orange. And then they have the shade Falcon, which is like a deep brown, which, that just sounds so good. This other shade I have is Marrakech. I'm not gonna be using this one today. Like I said, I'm gonna be using Taupe, which is like my everyday, like yummy, like I said, it's like a neutral tan shade. Typically, I would line my lips, but not on like a day that I'm just trying to like freshen up really quick or, you know, just to throw something on. But I'm just gonna go in with this shade. I love this. Now, typically when I do like a full face, you know, I love a good like lip line and like lip situation like that. But for my days where I'm just like throwing on my quick complexion stick and like a little mascara, you know, my no makeup looks, I just go in with a gloss. And lately this tinted lip oil has been my like, just watch when I put it on. And I mean, you can stop right there, but I like to really like, and it kind of matches my lips. Just makes them more like even. And it just makes them like juicy and glossy, and it makes me feel good knowing that like it's a safe product. So I just want to read the description about this lip oil and like what it says. So it says it's somewhere between an oil and a light stain, which is not any harsh color at all. This lip tint was made for whenever and wherever, and that's what I freaking love. Because like, for instance, I ran out of my go-to like CarMax like lip balm, the squeezy tube, because it's like more glossy. But I can just throw this on with no makeup whatsoever, and the tint of it isn't harsh, so it doesn't look like, you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't look like you have on like a colored lip gloss with no other makeup. You know what I mean? You know that look? That's not my look. So like, I wouldn't mind throwing this on, and if I didn't have not even like none of this on, like I wouldn't mind putting this on because it really wouldn't like change a thing, except moisturize my lips and give it that juice. And it says repeated use helps to maintain natural moisture levels and lips. I said levers. Repeated use helps to maintain natural moisture levels in lips over time. So the more you use this, the more naturally moisturized your lips become. Like, genius. But yes, that was really quick. Like, how freaking cute. Like, I feel so like fresh and awake. Like, this is so, like, I'm excited. I'm really excited. This looks so good. And I'm gonna be doing my makeup like this tomorrow because it doesn't look like I have anything on. It literally doesn't look like I have anything on. And my skin just feels so like fresh and like alive and awake. I don't know. I'm excited. So I hope you guys took away some good points from today. I hope you guys check out Merit. Merit was so kind enough to let me give you guys a discount that you can get any Merit Beauty product for yourself for 10% off using my link down below. It is muse.meritbeauty.com/Kayla. Promise you the link will be down below. Just click it and then it'll take you to the site. And again, thank you. And I do want to let you know it is an affiliate link, so if you do shop using my link, that does help me out, which I greatly appreciate. But you can definitely just check out the website, check out the products. So good. Like, I freaking love this stuff. Like, and like I said, they're sold in Sephora, which I think is so cool. But yes, definitely check out the description box. That way you can shop any Merit product using my link. And I'm telling you, you can literally achieve this face in 5 minutes. It's so beginner friendly. Yeah, but I hope you guys liked this video. If you want to see more videos with me using their products or just anything, or I don't know, just talk to me in the comments, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media at kaylaharnae. I have Instagram, I have Snapchat, I have Twitter, I have TikTok. It's all linked down below. But I freaking love you, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Jesus loves you, and let's conquer the day. Okay, let's just do good. Okay, love you.